Hello, epic gamers. Now today, again, is not your average gaming video. Today I'm doing a part 2 of my reading comments videos, and these are not my videos. I will put the link of them, of course, in the description. I do not own it, but I think we can all have a laugh at just dumb comments. This is purely nostalgic. Nostalgic? 2019. 3 years ago, bro. Literally, that's not nostalgic, man. Is this guy just spamming highs? After watching this for the first time in years is crazy. I also enjoyed it. Wait, mystery. Okay, Grace Hang, I can already feel with that gacha profile, this is gonna be hilarious. I watched this when I was at least 7 or 8, and I cried so many times watching this. Beauty, one of the guards is Flamingo, and Rose is... What? Inquisitor... Inquisitor... Inquisitor Master. I know who one of them is. Oh, wait. Okay, it wasn't as goofy as I thought it would be. I'm disappointed. I'm leaving a dislike. It's so confusing in the war. The beacon hairs are fighting bacon hairs. Which side is good and bad? With war, there's no really good side or bad side. I'm not gonna talk about how with like that stuff because it's not good. Alright, okay, back to the video. Back to the video. Never give up. I thought that was a Rick. I was like, wow, so funny, man. But no. I live this movie. This. Oh my god, man. Oh yes, my fav movie. No, no, like there's some there's some like high quality movie, uh, like Titanic, uh, The Amazing Spider-Man 1, not 2. That movie was a disappointment. Uh, those type of movies. But instead, you're like the last guest. Okay, good show. This is a movie. Look, full movie. Full movie. Good show. Bro, you sound like my dad, man. Like crap. I feel like that's something my dad would say. Are you enjoying the good show? I'm hoping for part 2 because this is good. Bro, the whole thing was about how the war ended. So, you want another war to start? Like, that's kind of strange, man. We need chapter 5, please. I no wonder. It was maybe like 3 years ago. It's not. It's like Soviet Union. Oh, oh no, 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 no! Don't say that, please. This is so sad. Yeah, I agree. I'm liking. Yeah, I agree. Roblox story 900 billion likes. Yeah, the like is here, not down up there. Great movies, love them. Just subbed. Guest 666 is back. No, he isn't. What are you on about? Ombre mom. I love that profile picture, but I don't understand that. Alright, I'm gonna have to get my loud voice out. This Roblox movie is incredible. I watched the full movie. This movie is fantastic. Roblox. I remember watching this, made me cry. This is best movie. ever. Yeah, no wonder. It was only 3 years ago, man. Why Bacon versus Guest? What? Yeah, I don't know. Don't ask me. Uh, reminds me of 90. Nope. This was the most tragic story I've ever seen. It was the best 10 out of 10, and you added some favorite YouTubers. This is best thing slash. What the hell are you giving pronouns to a video? And almost create. You are the best. As. It's funny. I remember this movie and I used to cry. By the way, I was 11. Mm, I can kind of relate to that. Like, what? Remembered. Remembered. I strongly say that you have not. I have not seen such a beautiful. How is it beautiful? It was my favorite movie. Thank you very much, though, who's wrote this movie and helped. Oh, they should get an Oscar. Oscar level with Roblox movie. I, cr- I cried the whole movie. Then you must have sore eyes. They used Dennis. Okay, Albert is in here and he has the funniest voice. What? And they used Danish Daly's voice too. What? No, no, it isn't. That is not a good thing. Like that, what like that was something um not as bad as a goddamn Roblox war. I watched this 12 times. It's amazing. Or some game YT says I like this. I love when Rose. What smashed the picture. What? Why aren't you uploading? Rebel. It made me almost cry. What? What? What do you mean? I almost cry. Uh, I'm game. You game is best role play world. Happy ending. I'm crying right now. I miss guests. Yes, sir. Yeah. After commenting this an hour later, he like it was like, yes sir, man, this is gonna be the best movie ever. He was so excited. He finished watching the movie. Happy ending. I'm crying. Yeah, look how much his emotions have just dropped in the past hour. Boys fight till the end. White out. Best. Right. Is so sad ending. I'm cry so much. I cried. Good content. Cool. By the way, who created a Roblox game? Just a guy. I'm gonna read this in order because he just came back for a rewatch. I was 16 when I watched the episodes. I wasn't too young, but this is a teenhood growing up. Much respect you for create. Bro, what 16-year-old is watching Roblox movies? Flamingo was in this. Yeah, that jazz guy. What? This guy, he got so sad. He like headbutted his keyboard. What is this? So yeah. Supper. Supper, come on mate, come get your supper. So good, I love it. Yeah. I wish more guests and no more bacon soldiers. I love I love dish film so much. Crying emojis. I joined your group and I got the mic and even the scooter. Okay, I'm not trying to be complaining, but this is a movie about a war and people dying. So I don't understand. I joined your group and I got the bike and even the scooter. What does that mean? I'm crying. Poor bacons are allowed draw. What the heck? What? Everybody is a bad person except the innocent family in these stories. That voice sound what familiar? Yes. That flamingo. Dennis over here voice acting for the doctor. What the heck? Better watch your mouth. I've never noticed. I'm so surprised. He actually has voice acted in quite a lot of Roblox movies, I'm pretty sure. This almost, almost made me cry. With capital L and capital Y. Zero five. What do you mean 05? Oh, what? I feel bad for Jazz's mom. Yes, mom. Yes, his dad. Zara. Sarah slash Zara. What? What do you mean T? Isn't that supposed to like mean you're disappointed? Why would you be? What? Edgar Drace gets a Thanos sniped. I swear. Are you okay? Okay, people need to calm down with these YouTubers being in this movie. Like, chill. What? Do you seriously think for a Roblox movie? Do you think for a Roblox movie they're going to include the best voice actors? Do you think I'm gonna pay a lot of money just for voice acting? No, they're gonna use our friends, which are Roblox YouTubers. I'm back. This movie encourages me to be brave and never give up. Keep these movies. That is wholesome. What is that? What is that profile? Is I kissing a bear? I'm literally crying so hard. Sad face, sad face. It's so sad. When the girl engaged married, bear was clapping there. Okay, I'm gonna stop it here. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna make another video of these so soon because they're so funny to record. Like I actually enjoy making these. See ya.